Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 13 and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So of course I've got gestures currently applied, but still I'd like to show you how to get into the specific options and how to manage them. So let's go to the settings first of all. Then let's go all the way down to find the system and then tap on system navigation. So here we've got 2 different options. So let's pretend I've got 3 button navigation. As you can see here, you can also customize the buttons. So for example, reorder the back button and the resends and add this additional icon. And to set the gestures, you have to simply tap on this animation and your device will ask you whether you want to go through the tutorial. And of course you can do it if you want to, just tap on learn. However, I will show you how to use the gestures in a second so you don't have to. As you can see, instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. Unfortunately, we cannot hide it in this device, but that's okay. You can still go through the tutorial. Here you can change the sensitivity to back gesture separately for the left edge and right edge. And to be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to decide whether you need the sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, and if you can see this arrow, you can release the finger, and the same situation from the right side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, but make sure that this motion is quick and short, so something like that. And if you'd like to open the resends, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but hold your finger somewhere here, something like that. And here we've got the resends. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.